Welcome everyone. So in this video I will explain you how it all works. This all starts with an idea. First of all, you have to plan what you want to work, and then getting components and building program for that in a software known as Arduino IDE, which helps you to write, debug and upload your code on Arduino. The code you build is known as Sketch, and then the final step is assembling everything. You can also assemble first before writing the code. Now to avoid confusion, I explain you types of robot an Arduino can build or you can build with it. So if we talk about motion, there are three types of robot: immobile, mobile and locomotive. Now a robot is not any object that only moves sense, but all these electrical works that get some input, process it and produces output is a robot. Like a microwave oven is a robot. The machines in Terminator are also robot, which everyone think that a robot look likes, but every machine with a microcontroller brain sensing environment and then working on it is a robot. Now the first one is immobile robots. They consist of projects that doesn't move, and they stay where we put them. They have one or more sensor which can sense anything we want to. A basic example you can imagine is a setup having an Arduino and ST11 sensor which measures temperature and humidity, and it's an immobile robot. And these robots are very simple to build and work on. They just include a microcontroller, a sensor and a powering system. And now after this, first we talk about locomotive robots before mobile robots. They are the robots that actually work like humans, but their design and their sketches are out of our scope, so we do not talk much about them. Then we have mobile robots. Now they are the robots that moves with the help of wheels, directly or by using wheels to move their tracks. They have a lower body which includes moving mechanism, basically gear motor setup, which is discussed later in the course. Then they have a microcontroller at upper body which controls the whole robot, and the sensors and other working modules like robotic arms are located in upper body also, which performs some particular work we want to do with our robot. And now if we talk about program and working of the robot, then in very simple language so that it will not confuse you, all these robots are classified as pre-programmed and controlled one. The pre-programmed are those in which we made a sketch in our microcontroller, which is our Arduino here, and then the setup or our final robots work on that program again and again. We did not require any transmitter or receiver, everything is predefined. Like an obstacle avoiding robot is an example here. The code is predefined that when anything comes in front of it, it changes its direction. In this, we do not have to control the robot by any remote or any app. It will work on that code. When it gets something in front of him, the code makes him to change the direction. These robots are very simple to build and work on because they do not require any program or any transmitter receiver that transmit signals wirelessly, and we do not have to build any of the app. The second ones are those which even after Arduino Sketch can control by us, and for them we have to build any app or we have to use remote controllers to control their motion and their functioning. But they are a little harder to build because they require programming knowledge. So this is the end of this module. Now after this we will start working from next module. I hope you like this module. Next we will learn about sensors, motor, chassis and build 3 mobile robots step by step. So thank you for being interested in this course. I hope you will complete the journey with us and you are excited as I am.